Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to sign into your Binance account. Well, do note that this right here is the interface, and right now all I want to do is log in. At the top right, you can see the login button right here, right next to sign up. Simply click on login right now. And guys, this is it. Once you click on it, this thing will open up. From here, you can log in simply by using your email address or phone number, or using your Google account or Apple account in context that it has been connected with Binance. Right now, all I'm gonna do is log in with my email. I'm gonna enter my email address right now. Well, as you can see, I have entered it. Now I'm just gonna click on next. Now it's gonna prompt me to enter my password. I'm gonna enter my password right here. Well, as you can see, and once everything's okay, simply hit on next. In context that you've forgotten your password, simply hit on forgot password and just follow the prompts. That way you can again regain access to your account. But for now, I'm simply gonna hit on next. And guys, that is it. As you can see, once you've entered your password, this thing will open up. Simply hit on yes. And that is it. That's how you sign into your Binance account. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.